Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Nona binti Razali and my other group members Muhammad Syafiq Sofwan bin Rosli, Nur Nabila binti Hisham and also Nurul Husnina binti Shamsuddin will be presenting our topic which is exit rate. So, let's move to introduction. I hope you guys enjoy with this video.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Sofwan bin Rosli. My meter number is 2021888072. Today I want to present about introduction of Exist Real Estate Investment Trust, that's called Exist REIT. Exist REIT is a leading Malaysian real estate investment trust that specializes in acquiring and managing industrial properties throughout the country. Established in 2005, Exist REIT has earned a strong reputation for delivering consistent and sustainable return to its unit holder by focus on high quality assets. The trust investment strategy revolves around acquiring properties in prime location with reliable revenue streams, often through leaseback and sale agreement with reputable tenants. This approach not only minimizes risk by ensuring a diverse tenant base but also provide consistent rental revenue. With properties strategically located in key industrial regions like the Klang Valley, Johor, Penang and others, Exist REIT offer a well-diversified regional exposure to its investor. In addition to its robust investment approach, Exist REIT is recognized for its commitment to environmentally friendly and consistent property management practice by integrating environment, social and governance (ESG) consideration into its operation. Exist REIT aligns itself with global sustainable trends. The trust success is attributed to its skilled management team, which boasts extensive knowledge of the Malaysian real estate industry. Its expertise, combined with a proactive approach to asset management and strong financial discipline, has positioned Exist REIT as a reliable investment option for both institutional and individual investors seeking exposure to Malaysia industry real estate sector. Looking ahead, Exist REIT remains focused on expansion, aim to continually grow its portfolio and provide steady return to unit holder. With its solid track record, prudent investment approach and emphasis on sustainability, Exist REIT is well prepared to capitalize on Malaysia's evolving real estate market and sustain its growth momentum in the future.
For my part, I will explain about the features of Exist Real Estate Investment Trust, Exist REIT. Exist REIT contribute to their appeal as a distinct investment option within the Malaysian real estate landscape. Exist REIT, which are mostly active in Malaysia, allow investors to participate in the real estate market strategically without having direct ownership of actual properties. For the first point is specialization in industrial properties. Exist REIT mainly invests in income-generating industrial assets like warehouse, factories, logistics centers, and office buildings. This focus on a specific sector with growth potential and stability offer investor targeted exposure. The second features is skill management. Exist REIT want to give unit holder a steady and increasing flow of income by making regular payment. Their history shows they have always been good at this. The trust is managed by a team of experienced professionals with deep knowledge of the Malaysian real estate market and Islamic finance principle. Exist REIT adopt a proactive approach to asset management, ensuring optimal rental income, occupancy rate, and property maintenance. The last is focus on net asset value, growth, and AV. The trust also aims to achieve long-term growth in the net asset value per unit, which means your investment will increase over a long time.
Now, I will explain about Sharia principle used in this instrument. Islamic Real Estate Investment Trust REITs offer unique features that align with Sharia principle. Here are some key aspects of Sharia compliant investment. For example, asset ownership. REITs must own income generating real estate assets like commercial buildings, office, warehouses, or industrial properties. These assets should be tangible and permissible under Islamic law. Next point, ethical consideration. For example, socially responsible investment. REITs may prioritize investment in real estate projects that benefit the community, such as hospitals, schools, or affordable housing. Last point, liquidity. Units of Islamic REITs can be traded on stock exchange, providing investors with liquidity and the ability to exit their investment. Let's look at the comparison with conventional instruments. Islamic Real Estate Investment Trust Islamic REITs and irregular real estate investment trust REITs are the same when it comes to the plan because they both want to give people a way of putting money in real estate without owning it. But there are many differences between the two. These mainly come from the rules of Islamic money handling. They are set up following Sharia rules. Following Sharia rules means not taking part in things like interest, betting, and risky trading. Normal REITs then follow Sharia rules and sometimes use loans with interest, which is forbidden in Islamic finance. Financing for Islamic REITs must follow Sharia rules. This means that regular money loans waived with interest is replaced by Islamic funding methods such as mudarabah, ijarah, and musyarakah. But for traditional real estate investment trust, they might use loan with interest and other common financing methods. Money is only used for things that follow Islamic rules. For instance, things linked to action like drinking alcohol, betting, and making pork are avoided. But for regular real estate groups, there are no limits based on Islamic rules. This allows for more types of investment.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurada binti Razali, student number 2021614384. Now I will explain about the structure of Aziz REITs. The structure of the instrument in Aziz REIT involves various stages from issuance to the distribution of profit to investors. However, the general structure of Islamic real estate investment trust typically follow principle compliant with Sharia law. Here is a broad outline. The first one is issuance of Sharia compliant units. Similar to conventional REITs, but this comply with Sharia principles. Aziz REIT issues investment units to investors who provide capital to the trust. These units represent ownership stake in the REIT and are typically traded on the stock exchange, allowing investors to buy and sell them. The second one is asset acquisition. The funds raised from unit issuance are used to acquire Sharia-compliant real estate assets. These assets include properties such as commercial buildings, offices, or other permissible properties based on Islamic finance principles. The third one is rental income and capital gains. The properties within the portfolio generate rental income from leases signed with tenants. Additionally, any capital appreciation of the properties also contributes to the overall income of the REIT. Next, operating and management expenses. Similar to conventional REITs, Aziz REIT incurs operating costs relating to property maintenance, management, tax, and administrative expenses. Next, profit distribution. After deducting expenses and maintaining necessary reserve, the remaining income is distributed to unit holders as dividends. In Islamic finance, these distributions are structured as profit sharing rather than interest-based returns, adhering to Sharia principles. These distributions are usually made periodically, for example, quarterly or semi-annually, and are a key attraction for investors seeking regular income streams. And the last one is transparency and reporting. Aziz REIT provides regular financial reports and disclosures, ensuring transparency about the performance of the portfolio, occupancy rates, rental income, expenses, and compliance with Sharia principles. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
In conclusion, Aziz Real Estate Investment Trust (Aziz REIT) stands as a prominent player in Malaysia real estate market, specializing in industrial properties. Its commitment to Sharia principle, coupled with a transparent and responsible approach to reporting, makes it a compelling choice for investors seeking ethical and sustainable exposure to the Malaysian industrial real estate sector. Overall, Aziz REIT appears well positioned for future growth, strategically balancing financial discipline, sustainability, and unwavering adherence to Islamic principle. The unique combination positions Aziz REIT as a potentially profitable and ethically sound investment opportunity for various investors.